Hello everyone, my name is Jiten, and in this video I'm gonna tell you if your controller is not working or not charging. So it's an easy fix for every PS4 controller, just like I did for my PS4 controller when it stopped charging. So all you have to do is pick a needle and pick a pin, any kind of this thing, and just back of your controller there is a hole. There it is. Just press it through 3 times or spam it and press it if it's and plug it in your PS4 and look for it if it's charging or not. If it does not, then do it again, and if you do several times and it does not charge, that means the battery is dead. But most of the times it will start working, so and it will start charging. So basically what it will do is it will reset it, the settings and controller, reset your controller, and it will charge again, it will start charging again. So it's an easy fix for every kind of controller, and if it does not fix it, that means the battery is dead. Maybe you have to change your controller, or maybe you have to replace the battery in your controller. In my case, it started charging when I reset it by pressing this button. Hopefully it will work for you. Share it with everyone who is having the same kind of problem with this PS4 controller. Thanks for watching again. Peace. Bye bye.